Codeium versus Copilot. Which is better? I'm going to tell you which AI coding assistant is better. GitHub Copilot or Codeium, now rebranded as Windsurf. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI, is known for its smooth code completion and integration with popular editors like VS Code and JetBrains. It predicts code in real time, supports multiple languages, and is great for both beginners and pros. But it's not free. There's a monthly fee, and sometimes it suggests overly complex code. Codeium, recently rebranded as Windsurf, is evolving into a more powerful platform. While it started as a free Copilot alternative, it now includes Cascade, an AI system designed to assist or even take over entire dev tasks. Windsurf is fast, supports many languages, and offers a cleaner, free experience with zero login requirements. So, pick Copilot if you want a mature tool with solid community support. Go with Windsurf if you want speed, no cost, and powerful AI driven features beyond just autocomplete.